We'll guide you through how to master Asana training so you can become a pro at managing your tasks and projects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to Asana's website. Log into your account or create one if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, start by familiarizing yourself with the Asana dashboard. You'll see a left-hand sidebar where you can access your projects and tasks. Click on the Projects tab to view existing projects or create a new one by selecting the New Project button. Enter a name and choose a layout that suits your workflow, whether it's a list, board, calendar, or timeline. Next, add tasks to your project by clicking on the Add Task button. For each task, you can set a due date, assign it to a team member, and add details or attachments to ensure clarity. You can also use sections to organize tasks into categories within a project. To improve your workflow, make use of Asana's powerful features like custom fields, which allow you to add specific data points to your tasks, and task dependencies to manage task sequencing. Don't forget to check out the My Tasks view, where you can see and prioritize all tasks assigned to you across different projects. Utilize the Inbox feature to stay updated with notifications about project changes, comments, and more. Remember to use keyboard shortcuts to navigate Asana more efficiently. For example, pressing Tab plus P lets you quickly add a project to a task. As you become more comfortable, explore Asana's integrations with other tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Zoom to enhance collaboration and communication. With regular practice, you'll soon master Asana and streamline your project management processes. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.